Welcome to Arpan's Highlights of 2023-2024, a presentation of our team's collective achievements throughout the year. Through the Personal Safety Education Program, we taught personal safety skills to over 13,000 children. We also trained over 6,000 adults and provided therapy to over 1,000 children who disclosed experiences of sexual abuse and/or inappropriate behavior. Outside of our school program, we provided therapy to over 100 children and 100 adults who've been through experiences of sexual abuse, inappropriate behavior, and other emotional concerns. We work with them either through in-person or online sessions. In the course of the therapy process, we have provided psychoeducation to over 100 people identified as helpful adults. We've piloted restorative justice processes as a part of our healing work. This is going well, and we've derived significant learnings from the pilot. Our work with young offenders took off more robustly. We provided therapy to over 100 adolescent boys in the Dongri Observation Home in Mumbai. Through strategic partnerships and government collaborations, we trained over 35,000 adults, including teachers and counselors, in preventing child sexual abuse and handling disclosures effectively. These trained facilitators went on to train over 330,000 children and 67,000 parents. This was primarily in the states of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Goa, and Delhi. We engaged in considerable PR efforts nationwide to highlight Arpan's work and, in turn, encourage parents and teachers across states to take up PSC with children. We launched a teacher training initiative in partnership with the Ministry of Women and Child Development for the schools of the Thane district. Saksham Balak Abhiyan, Mazha Desh, Mazha Haq, Mazi Zababdari in Maharashtra. Our personal safety messages were integrated into the National Curriculum Framework School Education 2023, and some of their aspects were also included in the NCERT Grade 2 Hindi textbook. At the national level, the School Health and Wellness Program, India's first ever life skill program, is being implemented across the country. PSC concepts were integrated into this program when it was launched in 2020. Based on the data received by Arpan so far, 14 million children and over 400,000 teachers and principals have undergone this program. At the state level, we have had favorable conversations with 17 states and 1 union territory to include PSC concepts in their respective state curricula. We had the Madhya Pradesh State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Chairperson, Mr. Dravindra More, and the State Council of Educational Research and Training Director, Sikkim, Dr. Rabin Shetty, visit us at Arpan and discuss opportunities for collaboration. Dr. Manjeer Mukherjee, Senior Director of Arpan, contributed to the C20 White Paper on Safety and Security and Engaging with Men and Boys under the Working Group of Gender Equality and Disability, and put forth policy recommendations to strengthen child protection systems and integrate PSC into the national curriculum. Pooja Taparia, founder and CEO of Arpan, was also invited to a G20 event in Delhi organized by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Through the digital learning program, over 94,000 children and adults completed our e-learning courses and accessed our digital content. Our course for 8 to 10-year-olds is now available in Punjabi, Bengali, and Gujarati. Moreover, our content is now featured on educational platforms and PM eVidya channels in states like Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Our international footprint is increasing with over 5,000 users in about 65 countries. The US, Philippines, Canada, China, and the UK are the top countries accessing our content. Association Popno, our partner in Guatemala, is reaching children in the most remote areas of the country with tablets hosting the Spanish version of our PSC courses. This Child Safety Week, We focused on empowering children to say no in unsafe situations and for adults to accept their no. We launched a partnership with BST buses in Mumbai, aiming to make public transport safe for children. Our posters were displayed in over 1,200 buses. Moreover, 10 buses covered with our personal safety messages plied through the streets of Mumbai in an effort to raise awareness. This partnership also included us training BST bus drivers and conductors to handle cases of CSA on buses. Like always, celebrities and influencers lent their voices of support, and government partners, NGOs, and schools also participated in the CSW campaign, which had a reach of 7 million. Pooja Taparia was invited to share Arpan's scale and impact journey at the Harvard Graduate School of Education and the Fletcher School, Tufts University in Boston. She also spoke at events in London and Boston and was invited to be a part of the leadership group for a global initiative called 2-0 to end childhood sexual violence. She shared her insights from Arpan's experience at 2-0's global convening in the UK. Our managers and directors have represented Arpan on various forums, highlighting the issue of child sexual abuse and what Arpan is doing about it. An integral task this year was the review of our organizational strategy. We invested a lot of time in building our time regardless strategy to address CSA and built our 10-year and 3-year plans based on that. At Arpan, it's not just about the work, it's about our people. We fostered a culture of continual learning, celebration, and support, which is central to our growth story. In line with this principle, we conducted a productivity workshop and a case study on leadership with our teams. We conducted in-depth training sessions on the prevention of sexual harassment policy and Arpan's child protection policy with the entire organization. We further reinforced our internal policies to make them more robust. We also had some guest speakers come in to inspire us by sharing their stories and the amazing work they do. Moving into a new office space with better infrastructure helped increase collaboration and productivity within our team. Along with a lot of hard work, we also took moments to appreciate each other, have fun together, showcase our talents, and celebrate important days while reiterating the need to align with Arpan's values, culture, and principles. Our 6th consecutive certification by Great Place to Work affirms our commitment to making Arpan a great workplace. We emerged among the top 20 non-profits in India and the top 100 organizations to work for women across India. With this, we come to the end of the highlights for 23-24. We look forward to yet another year of reaching many more children and adults in our journey towards a world free from child sexual abuse.